Why does a donut have a hole in the middle? Seriously, who looked at a perfectly good piece of dough and thought, you know what this needs? A missing center. Was it just for style? Or is there actually a scientific reason behind it? Because it turns out that tiny hole completely changed the way donuts cook. And without it, modern donuts might not even exist. Today, we uncover the hidden secret behind donut hole. Let's find out. The first donuts didn't actually have holes. Early donuts were just balls of fried dough. They looked more like small bread rolls dropped into hot oil. Sounds delicious, right? But there was one big problem. The outside cooked much faster than the inside. When the outer layer became golden brown, the center often stayed raw, sticky, or undercooked. And if bakers tried cooking longer, the outside would burn before the middle finished cooking. That happens because heat travels from the outside inward. The thicker the dough, the longer it takes for heat to reach the center evenly. So early bakers faced a frustrating challenge. How do you fry dough quickly without leaving a gooey center? And the answer was surprisingly simple. It's removing the middle. Scientifically, the hole changes how heat moves through the donut. Instead of heat traveling all the way to the center from one direction, the ring shape allows heat to enter from both the outside and the inside hole at the same time. That means the dough cooks more evenly. Think of it like this. If you microwave a thick potato, the center takes longer to heat. But if you cut it into smaller pieces, heat reaches everything faster. The donut hole does the same thing. It reduces the distance heat needs to travel. And because the dough ring is thinner, the donut cooks faster, more evenly, and with a better texture. The result is a crispy outside, soft inside, and no raw dough hiding in the center. Even today, this same principle is used in cooking and engineering. Thin shapes heat faster than thick ones because heat doesn't have to travel as far. So the donut hole is not just decoration, it is food science. Who invented the donut hole? According to popular history, a sailor named Hanson Gregory claimed he invented the donut hole in 1847. The story says he was unhappy with raw-centered donuts while working at sea, so he punched a hole through the middle of the dough before frying it. Some versions even say he used the lid of a pepper tin to cut the center out. Was he truly the first person to do it? Nobody knows for sure. But his design spread quickly because it simply worked better. And once bakeries realized ring-shaped donuts cooked faster and more evenly, the design became standard around the world. Sometimes, the smartest inventions are incredibly simple. The hole also created unexpected benefits. First, donuts became easier to stack and package. Second, they fried more consistently in large batches. And third, the shape became iconic. Today, you can recognize a donut instantly just from its silhouette. In fact, the missing center became so famous that donut holes themselves turned into a separate snack. The part that was originally removed to improve cooking became its own food product. That's probably one of the most successful leftovers in history. So the next time you see a donut hole, remember, it is not there by accident. That empty space solved a real scientific problem using simple heat physics. A tiny design change transformed raw, uneven fried dough into one of the world's most famous snacks. And honestly, that might be the tastiest example of science ever.